I've been using my MOVA E30 Pro Plus, which I've named Inflow, for some time now, and so far I've been happy with it. For one of MOVA's budget vacuums, it has great suction, decent navigation, and you get lots of bells and whistles for less than $300. However, I hadn't really stress tested this unit yet. It works well for casual day-to-day vacuuming, but I was curious how well it would do with a big mess. So I made one. I was a little worried considering that this specific unit doesn't have AI assistance to really know where the dirty areas are like some of MOVA's more expensive models. Knowing this, I knew it probably would take more than one pass to pick up all the mess, but the question would be how many, and would it be able to clean up my mess without running out of battery? For this test, I spilled coffee grounds, dog hair, and Cheerios all over my living room tile. The coffee grounds are well into the grout, so I set the zone for the messy area and started cleaning. With the first pass, Inflow did a good job cleaning up the bulk of the debris. It picked up the larger particles with no issue, picking up all the hair clumps and Cheerios. However, there were some misses on the finer debris, which is very clear in this first pass. The second pass did a better job of collecting more of the finer debris. Once the vacuum was finished, it was a little harder to see where the missed spots are, so I've circled in to make them easier to see. I still wouldn't consider the space acceptable after two passes, so I went ahead and started a third. After the third pass, Inflow finally got up all the rice and coffee grounds, even out of the grout. If it had a camera with AI assistance, I would expect this unit to do better with this, but honestly, with the degree of mess, 3 passes is acceptable for a vacuum at this price point. Since there were large clumps of pet hair in this task, I flipped the vacuum over at the end of the clean. There was no stuck hair in the dual roller brush. Since the angle of the original clean didn't really highlight edge cleaning, I also wanted to show a clip of Inflow picking up large particles along the wall of my living room. It is satisfying to watch the vacuum sweep the Cheerios into the path and suck them up. If you're looking for a great budget robot vacuum loaded with features, I recommend the E30 Pro Plus. I would spring the extra money for the Pro Plus over the E30 alone because having the self-empty dock with the giant self-empty dust bag is so nice. The 5-liter dust bag on this model is actually larger than the ones on their flagship models, so you can go even longer between changes.